So day 2 on the Katy Trail, the trip that Andy Northern and I took just last week from May 27th to about June 2nd. Anyways, it took us 4 days to cover the distance of the Katy Trail. On day 1, we started in Clinton, went from Clinton to New Franklin. It's an 80-mile trip. We camped that night. We were planning on doing 60 miles. So the video footage and slideshow from that you're about to see is day 2. And on day 2, we covered from Franklin-Tebbetts, where we stayed the night in the Turner Katy Trail shelter. I want to say it was 65, 70 miles worth of biking we did that day, and pretty cool trip. And this is just our record of that trip. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that, but the cicadas are really loud here by the Missouri River on the Katy Trail. Lots of cicadas. Don't you know we're going to bed early?
Yeah. Probably in there.